Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can change the voice filter on TikTok. So select the plus button, and then just record yourself saying anything you'd like. Hello, for instance. Select the checkmark button, select the arrow pointing down, and then sort of scroll until you find voice effects. Select it, and there's a lot you can choose from. There's the squirrel one, baritone, mic, megaphone, robot, battery, vibration, electro, echoing, elf, and giant, and this one, choir. Okay, that's what it was called. And then select one, and then it's going to be applied to your audio like so. That's how you can change the voice filter on TikTok. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Don't forget to, okay, I'm forgetting my lines. If you have any questions, just leave it down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.